you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Bobby, and here on this channel I share all about being healthy through your mind, your body, and your soul. And today I am going to be showing you all a portable blender that I received from a company that I am to review on here with you guys firsthand. I have not opened the box, so I do not know how exactly it looks on hand. I have seen it on the internet, but I haven't actually opened it just to see how it is, and I wanted to do that firsthand here with you all. So the blender that I'm going to be trying out today, the portable blender, comes in a box like this, and the name of it is MoKo, if I'm saying that correct. MoKo. This is I'm thinking a new company. If not a new company, this is something new that they are doing, which is the portable blender. On the box is the measurements. The charging time is 3 to 5 hours. It does have a 20-second cycle blend that I'm assuming that you press is 20 seconds for each cycle. We're going to give this a try. I haven't tried other blenders too much, portable blenders, because I was faithful with the blender too, but for this one we're going to give it a go and give it a try and give it a benefit of the doubt. All right, so let's get this open. Let me get a knife. Be right back. So open it on hand. They do have different colors, and I did choose pink. They just a little pink dot on top. I forgot all about it. So I chose pink, and we're gonna open it together. When you open it, you do have the top, and this is how it looks. The top has a opening. You put a straw in it, I'm assuming, or you can just drink from it. All right. Before first use fully charged blender, 2 hours. All right. Ooh. Okay. So it comes in plastic, which I like, protect it from anything damaging it. And this is how it looks. On first hand, you'll think it looks like a Stanley, but it's not. It is pink. Oh, it's beautiful. It has its name on the top, and as you see the top, it does have I think it's a USB-C charger on top. Yeah. Hopefully it comes with it. I have instructions. Let's see what's all in here. Yes, it do come with the charger, as it does with other blenders. It do come with the charger. You have to have your own base to plug in the wall, which I have plenty here. Comes with a straw, and it comes with the cleaning utensils, the sponges and everything to clean inside, and it also has the cleaning thing to clean your straw like that. Get in there good, get all that gunk out of there, because it is hard to get inside of these straws. Sometimes you got to take a paper towel and dig it, but if you have one of these, you know, it's really good. So I'm glad that it came with that. And also 50 recipe smoothies on this paper on the back. 50, you guys. So getting this and having some recipes to go by is awesome. So I really like that. 50 recipes on here, which of course I will be doing. Today I'm just going to use whatever fruits that I do have that is frozen. So we're going to give it a try. I love to try portable blenders with frozen fruit just to see how powerful it is, see how that punch is to blend it up. So I like to use frozen fruit. So yeah, I won't be using any of the recipes on here today, but of course I will one day. And then you have the manual here, the MoKo portable blender, and give you instructions in here on what to do. Okay, if I can flip through, y'all can see some of the stuff, you know, just little things here, instructions on what to do. Okay, so what we're going to do is give this a charge for 2 hours, or maybe shorter, according to things I have to do. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to charge it, give it a third, and then when it's done, I will come back and we're going to make a smoothie. Okay, so before I begin the smoothie process, I did wanted to show you all some of the specs on this portable blender. As you see, it does have a USB-C port on top to charge it, as well as the green light whenever you press the button to power it on. In order to blend it, you do have to press it twice. This portable blender holds 28 ounces of your ice drinks or your milkshakes or your smoothie, whatever you choose. As you twist it off, you do see the red and green light blink to let you know that it is not intact, it is not tight. As you see, it is a 6-leaf blade portable blender, which is very sharp. It is very durable. I love the way it looks. It is stainless steel, and I feel like this may be a very, very easy to clean blender as well. Okay, so to start, we're going to be using just a little bit of frozen fruit, like I had said earlier. I'm going to add a little yogurt as well. First, you want to put the base in. I'm just going to add a little juice to it. Just a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to add some strawberries. And to be honest, I actually thought that this would be clear, because they do sell ones that are clear. You can actually see the measurements, you can see exactly how much you're putting in there and everything and how it looks in the blend. But obviously, they didn't send me that one. So I'm just gonna try this one. Just put a couple of strawberries in there. I'm going to add in some frozen grapes. I like to take some grapes, wash them, put them in. When I do my fruits, how I clean them, I do use vinegar and baking soda to clean the grapes. You want to clean them because these grapes be dirty out here. All right, so that's the pineapple, and like I said, I'm going to use a little bit of yogurt, just about too much. All right, I was looking in the inside, put it on, and it says double tap, strew the base tightly, then press the power button twice to start working. We're going to press it twice. Turn it upside down. $20 seconds each cycle. Okay. The yellow light blinks. I think that means that it's finished, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to do another cycle. Okay. Let's open it and see how it looks. All right, let's open it and see how it looks. So what I'm going to have to do is pour it into a cup just to see if it blended well, because I cannot see through this, and I thought that it would be clear. So that is my one thing that I don't like. So let's see. Okay, so let's pour this in to see if it blended. Okay, well it did. It blended all up. Like I said, I really don't like that I had to pour it into a glass just to see if it blended all. 2 cycles did blend those frozen fruits, so that was awesome. I give it a plus for that. And what I'm going to do is put my top on. I grab my straw, open the top, put your straw in, and drink up. Yes, good and cold. So yeah, overall I like the appearance of it. You know, it is it looks like a Stanley tumbler. It looks like one of the tumblers that are now, you know, it's been out, but you know, trending. I do like that. I do like the durability of it. It is CERN. It is good quality. But what I didn't like was that it is not see-through, where I can see exactly what I'm blending and how much. That's my only downfall for this. But overall, it blended up my smoothie with 2 cycles, which was 20 seconds each. Perfect. It did well. It charged fast, and I think that it's really good. The speed, again, is like 300 watts, I think, for this. So yeah, I give it a go. Yeah, so if you would like to try this blender by MoKo, and they do have other colors, and when you go on the site, there is ones that are clear. They have different colors. You can check that out on the site. I will put the link down below. Be sure to go and check that out and pick you up one. These are great for a gift for someone as well. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that I helped you decide on what portable blender you want to try next. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.